Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can skip this waitlist on the Nova bot. So let's get started. Now if you take a look right here, you can see that you will need to enter an access code to get access to the Nova bot and skip this waitlist timer right here. So if you take a look in the description down below, you will be able to find an access code right there that would allow you to skip this waitlist and get access to the Nova bot right here, as you can see. So once you copy the access code from the description, you will just need to click enter access code right here. And then after clicking this, you can just paste it over in the chat right here. And then you will get access to the Nova bot, as you can see right here. So welcome to Nova bot, and here is whole suite of options that Nova bot offers. So that's guys how you can skip this waitlist on the Nova bot trading bot. If you found this video helpful, comment down below if it worked, and thank you for watching.